packed up early this morning, managed to get a couple of pies again from the Fresh and Fast Bakery. And we took a quick walk along Lake Taupo. And now we're here at Huka Falls, which we didn't get to see yesterday. But the weather is really, really nice today.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, let's go?
Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, we made it!
Wow, look at the balloons!
Yes! It's really good actually.
So I guess we're gonna stay here for a little bit.
We're gonna go for our Whakarewarewa Living Maori experience. Oh, that was so hard.
Good try, good try. We're now here at the Whakarewarewa Village tour.
It just started, so now we're just following our guide through the town. Yeah, quite an interesting place. Really strong sulfur smell, as expected from the geothermal activity here.
Celsius. That is only on the surface because the deep. Right. How does it taste, everyone? Very good. Is it alright?
Very juicy, very sweet. Quite
Different from normal? To be honest, I think it's super sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet. I can't tell if it's the corn or the cooking method.
Yeah, to be honest, I can't tell, but
it's really good.
It's good.
Basically, like the vegetarian, it's up to descendants or the people that live here, what it is they've run. Actually, the wood will come right out of the pit. You will then place
Here we've got one of the traditional bathroom areas. You can see that they've got like little rivets that bring water into these little pools so people can bathe in. And apparently the water is a bit oily, or like there's an interesting texture to it when you feel it. Feels a bit soapy and everything.
We're done with the tour now.
That's pretty good. I think it was quite interesting to know more about traditional Maori culture, how they use like all this geothermal activity for daily needs such as bathing, their cooking.
So I think we're gonna go off now to go and explore the town a little bit. So let's see what we can find over there.
We've arrived at the Redwood Forest area, and we're gonna take the Redwood Memorial Grove walk. It's 30 minutes long, 2 kilos. The one in the red dashes.
We're here, just wandering around the path. Nick, how's your cookie?
Quite nice, not bad. It's now 6 o'clock. We had a good hike along the Redwood Forest, and now we've headed back into town for some dinner. We're gonna try out some Tunisian cuisine.
So we got, I think, what did we get?
A Berber rice. The Berber rice. This one. Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're just waiting for our food.
Oh, it smells really strong. Spices smell really good. Just
Very strong. But I think it suits our tastes, but
love the
because
spices.
back home, I guess our food is also quite strong. Okay, so we're gonna finish up, and then we're gonna head back to our Airbnb, and then we'll rest up for tomorrow.
I think that's all for today.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, we're here at Te Puia Geothermal Valley, and we've just taken a quick tour of the area, about an hour and a half, and we got to see quite a lot of interesting things like the Maori Culture Arts and Craft area, Kiwi Conservation Centre. We got to see the geyser up close.
The one we saw yesterday.
Yeah, the one we saw yesterday.
From a different angle.
Yeah, so we're just gonna take you through what we've seen so far. Right now we're just in the main area. We found out more about like the architecture behind these meeting rooms, the storerooms on the right, and the House of Learning on the other side. There's a lot of significance in the way the structure is built. From the head to the sides, the arches, those are the arms of the ancestors. And to the sides we've got like fingers. And within the inside of the house we've also got things to represent the ribcage, the skeletons, and even the heart of the building itself. So that's quite interesting. I think we don't see that too often in other cultures that we've seen so far.
Beautiful pieces here are more of our Polynesian style. Reason being, you'll still see these pieces in Rapa Nui or Easter Island, and Rarotonga, and Tahiti, and Hawaii, you name it. I make this here as a kurupapa. It's a nice simple form. When we first start here as students, this is what we do. We make a kurupapa first using the traditional tools.
lucky to be here at this timing.
Get it go.
Everybody just come up on the wood, come around here, just go back out the gate. Slow cooker, pressure cooker. Right, it won't burn. Oh yeah, it's good. Oh my gosh. It's good. There you go. Ah, shit. Help yourself, everybody.
Let's try it.
Huh. Not bad. Spongy, but still dense. Quite sweet. From the golden syrup, I think. Very moist. Oh my god, you get a second.
One more. Yes.
I got another piece.
Seconds.
Oh.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna go back to our place now. So this is the largest bubbling mud pool in the valley.
Hey, so we're now at the Kiwi Conservation Centre.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think the birds are quite sensitive to light and they're nocturnal animals,
Yeah.
so we can't really film inside. Yeah, instead I've got this life-size sculpture for you to enjoy instead. They're pretty big inside. These birds are quite chill inside.
Okay, we're now back in the car. We're gonna head to Auckland.
And we're gonna drop by Te Waihou Walkway, which is one of New Zealand's greatest source of fresh water, I believe.
We'll catch you in a bit.
Here is the Blue Springs lookout point. Very quiet, very peaceful. Water is very, very clear. That's really good. Yeah.
Yeah, and there are ducks just chilling, doing their own things. We're gonna hang here for a little bit more.